6 items are included. We have additionally prepared a set of spare parts to prevent damage. Unscrew the screws. Remove the top buckle. This part needs to be retained. Unscrew the screws. Remove the bottom buckle. Pull out the arm from the headphone frame. Remove the fixed part here. This component needs to be retained. Unscrew the screws. Remove this part along the holes of the steel bar. Be careful not to pull too hard and break the Y. Adjust the pliers properly. Cut a small notch. Be careful not to cut the wires. Cut a small notch. Unscrew the screws. When removing this part, ensure not to pry it from the bottom upwards. It must only be pried from the top downwards. Otherwise, the fixed structure of this component may be damaged. Please note that the plastic part is coated with adhesive inside, so the first removal may require extra effort. This part needs to be retained. Unscrew the screws. Remove the small plastic part. This part needs to be retained. Remove the plastic cover. Cut the black plastic part that the wire passes through. Be careful not to cut the headphone wire. Take out the headphone wire. Cut the larger plastic part. This may take some time. Be careful not to cut the headphone wire. Take out the headphone wire from the old plastic part. During installation here, start with the right side first. There's a wire channel on the right side for securing the wires. Be careful not to pinch the wires, otherwise it won't fit properly. Please secure the wire in the wire slot of this component. Install the new fixing component. This small plastic part is an original component, marked with L and R. Note that this part is not interchangeable. Twist and screw. Use screw number 1 here. This plastic part is an original component, marked with L and R. Note that this part is not interchangeable. Use screw number 2 here. Install the new connecting rod here. Remove the steel bar here for easier installation. Here, first secure the wire into the groove of the connecting rod. Be careful not to block the screw hole. Twist and screw. Use screw number 1 here. This part is an original component. Pay attention to the wire groove here. The wire must be securely inserted during installation, otherwise it will not fit properly. Install the new buckle. Twist and screw. Finally, install the retain component.